right, got some Kumo tires in. What are they? Kumo tire Exta PA31 205 50 R15s. These are for the front. Going to be replacing these old 215s that are on there. Also, this rim is the one that's damaged. If you can see it from the angle. Yeah, you can see from that angle how it's bent down. So both of these rims, this is the tire that exploded on me. If you can, it's pretty obvious why. But both of these are going to be dropped at a wheel shop here or at the next town over tomorrow. They'll repair that rim, and then I'll have them out and balance both these two new tires on there, and then we'll have some proper tires for the front of this vehicle. And how it goes. Okay, tires back from the wheel shop. This is the tire that was damaged. You can see where he heated it and bent it back into place. He had offered to powder coat it as an additional service, and I asked him to hold off on that because I'm not sure what I'm doing with these wheels yet. Part of me wants to go with a 17 or 18 inch wheel that you see on the later Esprits, but even if I keep these, I'm not 100% certain I'll keep the same powder coat color, although I likely will. Anyways, putting these back onto the car will definitely feel like a step forward. It'll be the first time the car in my possession doesn't have the spare tire on it, and 4 actual wheels with at least 2 tires that are good. The back ones will be good for now, but those are going to have to come off as well. God only knows how old they are. Okay. Both wheels are back. Wow. Both wheels are back. And I'm going to put them on because working under a car when it's jacked up is an incredibly dumb idea. So this is the wheel that was damaged. The rim, it was bent down. I don't know how hard you have to hit something to bend the alloy wheel out like that, but it didn't pop the tire. In fact, the tire held air without a problem. Not sure what we're doing with these yet, but could get them sandblasted and powder coated if I don't go to a 17-inch wheel on the front. I mean, these are only 15s. The backs are 16s, which, you know, it's not bad. But a larger wheel wouldn't look bad. The hell did I do with the lug nuts? Lug bolts, actually. So getting these off, it was not fun. It's been a while, and I don't want to deal with that headache again anytime soon. So we'll just coat these. Some people say you shouldn't coat lug nuts or lug bolts in anti-seize, but I don't know how long these are going to be on here before I change them out or take them off again, so I'm not really worried about it. Be more worried about breaking one of these off in there. That would not be good. All right. Oh, there's the first one. bad thing about this anti-seize is it gets everywhere. Everywhere. Well, we'll clean that later. On to the other side. That's the spare tire. The original Lotus spare tire. I know it'll come off, especially down in Florida. I think I said it in the video, but I had no business trying to put air in that tire, the one that was on here. It had a big gouge. It had a big flat spot, and the rubber had cracked. And so I was astonished when I started putting air in it, and I knew it wasn't exactly safe, but I thought if I could just get air in it to hold until the trailer comes. And anyway, while I was filling it, a couple had come over and started asking me about the car, and I explained it to him. And I had been talking to him for about 5 minutes since I had put air in the tire, and there was a huge explosion. It sounded like a cannon went off, and it actually sounded like a gunshot, a loud, high-powered rifle gunshot, right next to us, right behind us, and it was the tire had burst. So I was hoping that the spare would hold air, and it did. That's a 14-inch tire. 175/70 R14. Small tire. That is what the official Lotus Esprit spare tire looks like. It served its purpose. The new wheels.
Okay, here are the revised numbers for costs thus far on the Esprit. Coming in, I was at $3787.77. I added 2 Kumo tires I got from Tire Rack for a total of $211.42. I had those tires repaired at a place in the next town over. Did a mount and balance in the repair itself for $182. And then something I'm fixing last time is I showed you the ignition and the door keys, but I didn't put the price in there. $42.05, bringing the project total thus far to $4223.24. Thanks, guys.